Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming Windows has Media Center and that your TV tuner is connected and powered. Once done, plug in coax or HDMI, attach antenna if needed, and make sure the tuner driver's installed. Then open Windows Media Center from the Start menu. If prompted, run the Setup wizard. You're initiating the guide and signal detection now, so follow on-screen prompts for region, time zone, and TV signal type before moving to guide setup. Now you configure the TV and guide. Run the TV setup to scan channels. Depending on cable or antenna, this can take several minutes. Once channels are detected, set up the program guide and accept the provider or manually match channels to guide listings. After that, choose your recording defaults, quality, file location, and disk space limits, so future recordings behave predictably. Make sure to test live TV playback and a short recording to verify audio, video, and scheduling work properly. Finish by using core features. Schedule one-time or series recordings, check for conflicts and set priorities, and browse recorded TV. You can connect Media Center extenders or use a remote for couch control. Try a playback of a saved show and adjust playback settings if necessary. If things go wrong, first check tuner drivers, cabling, and signal strength, then restart Media Center services. If the guide won't load, rerun the TV setup and rescan channels to fix mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.